The Steam Deck is truly a remarkable piece of hardware. It runs on Arch Linux based SteamOS and can play a lot of AAA games at a stable frame rate. It features an OLED screen and has an awesome operating system which offers a lot of customization for you. However, the gaming mode on Steam Deck by default is only limited to your Steam library. You can buy games on Steam and can access your games either from your desktop or directly from your Steam Deck. Your games are saved in the cloud, so you can just play your games on your PC, and when you go out with your Steam Deck, you can just continue with your gameplay on the Steam Deck. However, what if you install games from another platform on your Steam Deck? Well, Epic Games, which is another PC game store page, offers regular giveaways of games as well as they sell a lot of games. However, their official Epic Games launcher is not available on Linux, so it is not available on the SteamOS as well. There are several tricks to access the Epic Games library on the Steam Deck. However, as I said, it is quite tricky. Some methods are easy to install but not accessible, and some are little tricky to install but makes the Epic library accessible easily from the gaming mode, so you can install games and play them without ever leaving the gaming mode. We'll check out both of these installation methods one by one, and you can pick and choose the one you like. Press the Steam button on your Steam Deck and then switch to the desktop. If you're on stock SteamOS, then you will be greeted with the KDE desktop environment, which looks similar to the Windows operating system. Since I'm on Bazite OS, I have a GNOME desktop environment installed, which looks sort of like Mac OS. On KDE, look for the Discover Store and search for the Heroic Games launcher. From here, just install the application. Similarly on GNOME, look for the GNOME software application and install Heroic from there. Once installed, search and launch Heroic from the Start menu or Super menu. Log into your Epic Games account from here. Optionally, also log into your GOG account as Heroic also supports that platform. Once logged in, go to the Settings tab and set the default runner for a game to the installed Proton version, or you can also install Proton GE as well from here. Normally install any game from your library and it will be automatically added to Steam once it is downloaded. Reboot your Steam Deck to get back to the gaming mode, and you'll be able to see and launch games from the gaming mode. The trouble with this method of accessing Epic Games library is that every time you'll have to install and uninstall a game, you'll have to get back to the desktop mode and launch Heroic and then do the lengthy process of installing or uninstalling a game. However, there is another method which is a little tricky, but it lets you install and uninstall a game directly from the gaming mode. This can be done with the help of the Junk Store. Junk Store can be accessed directly from the gaming mode, and it is really easy to use once it is set up properly. It has a pretty interface which can be navigated using the controller on the deck. However, its installation requires us to install another plugin to the Steam Deck which is called as Decky Loader. Refer to our video on the Decky Loader installation guide if you have not already installed this awesome tool on your Steam Deck. Once you are back in the gaming mode, press the meatball button located below the right trackpad and then navigate to the bottom using your D-pad or the left joystick. This is the Decky Loader menu. Go to the Decky Store and search for the Junk Store plugin. Install it and get back to the meatball menu. Here you can see the Junk Store plugin. From here, go to the About section first and navigate to the Dependencies tab. From here, click on the Install Dependencies button and all the necessary tools which is required by this plugin will be installed automatically. Optionally, if you want to play multiplayer games, then you can also install various anti-cheat layer from this tab. Once the dependencies are installed, go back to the Junk Store plugin and click on Games. Now, tap on the login button and you will be navigated to the Epic Games login page. Just enter your credentials and you will be logged into your account. All the games in your Epic account should be visible in the Junk Store now. You can install all the supported games from here, and as you can see, I have installed and played Rocket League from the Junk Store. Note that once the game will be installed, you can directly access it from the Steam home page. You can just launch it from there as well. These were the two main methods through which you can access Epic Games library on the Steam Deck. Junk Store also provides an extension for the GOG platform, but that extension is currently behind a paywall on the developer's Patreon page. If you like the project, then you can support the developer, and it's only $6. But that's up to you. Heroic Game Launcher also supports GOG, Epic, as well as Amazon Prime games. So there are advantages and disadvantages of using both the platforms, and it's up to you what you prefer. An accessible interface in the gaming mode or functionality and support for various platforms. If you like this video, then you should drop a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.